What's up, party people? It's your girl Andrea, and today I am here with a new video for you guys. Today's video is going to be 25 video ideas that you can use for your YouTube channel. If you guys are ever struggling with coming up with ideas, because I know I am, I got you. If you're new to my channel and you don't know who I am, my name is Andrea, and this is my new YouTube channel, and I post a lot of content like this and beauty and advice and a whole bunch of stuff like that. And you should totally hit the subscribe button because that will really mean the world to me, and I would really appreciate it. Like, you guys have no idea. You should also follow my social media, which is down here somewhere, down there, down here. Totally go follow it so you can stay up to date with me because I have a lot of stuff going on in those apps as well. Alright, so I'm gonna stop talking and we're just gonna get right into this video. I have my little notebook here with my notes. The first video that you could do is a get ready with me, which honestly you could do for literally anything. You could do a get ready with me for work, for school, for prom, even though prom is kind of canceled this year, for lunch, for literally anything. You could do a get ready with me for anything, and it usually always works out. It's also super quick if you need to get a video out and you don't really have any ideas. You can literally just get ready for work or school or wherever you're going and set up a camera, and boom, there's your video. The next video that you could do is a lookbook, which is basically where you try on a whole bunch of outfits and you give other people inspiration on those outfits so they can take that outfit, put together something similar, and boom. Next you could do I did blank for 30 days and this is what happened. You could do I did 50 crunches for 30 days and this is what happened, or I drank a gallon of water for 30 days and this is what happened, because people love to see what you're doing and what your results were. So that's a really good video idea. Next you could do a dramatic makeup look, which is basically where you put on some dramatic makeup and show people how you did it. Next, you can do a try on haul. Keyword, try on haul. You don't want to do a try on haul of like all this stuff that you got and you don't actually try on the clothes, because that's kind of stupid and that's not the point of the try on haul. You can't just wave a shirt around and be like, oh. You can't just wave a shirt around and be like, hey, I got this from Brandy Melville, do you like it? Like, nobody. Next, you could do a how-to video, like how to do your eyebrows, how to do your hair a certain way, how to swim. You could do any how-to video as long as you have expertise knowledge on it and that you're able to teach other people, because you don't want to be giving people the wrong information, especially if you're teaching people how to swim. I think something just bit me. Something definitely just bit me. Next, you could do an intro video for YouTube, which if you're new to YouTube and people don't really know who you are, you could just sit in front of the camera and talk about yourself and give information about yourself, or you could just do like a 25 facts about me type of video and just let people know who you are and what you're about and etc. Next, you could do a social experiment, which I love these videos. You can go out in public to the school, your mom. You can go out in public to school, the mall, your job, and you can basically just talk to a whole bunch of people. You can basically just ask random people questions, or you can actually do a social experiment. Maybe, for example, you can have some money. You should probably do fake money, but you can drop the money while you're walking past somebody and you can basically see how that person will react. Maybe if they pick it up and give it back to you, or if they take it and keep it for themselves. That's basically what a social experiment is, but make sure you're being very careful with like extreme social experiments, because you don't want to get into any conflict with a random person. Next, you could do a how to start your YouTube channel, and on top of that, you can also do how to grow your YouTube channel. This is probably one of the most searched things on YouTube, to be honest, like how to start a YouTube channel, how to grow a YouTube channel. If you're fairly big on YouTube and you've grown a lot on YouTube, definitely try to make one of these types of videos, because you will get lots of engagement and lots of views. Next, you could do a drive with me, which I do not recommend for anybody that's under the age of 16, because that's under the legal age to drive. Definitely be very careful with this one as well, because not only are you putting your own safety in danger, but you're also putting somebody else's safety in danger. So be very careful if you are wanting to make a video like this, because Next you could do what's on my iPhone, which is also pretty self-explanatory. Next you could do song covers, which is basically where you take a song, like your favorite song, and you just sing it. Be very careful because you don't want to get a copyright strike, so you can either sing it a cappella or you could just play it on your guitar, like acoustically, or your piano or whatever. Just be very careful. Next you could do a day in my life, which are super popular videos, like extremely popular. If you have a very interesting life, maybe you're a college student, maybe you're an athlete, maybe you have a business, lots of people like to see what your life is like. So my camera shut off about a total of 3 times during this whole filming of the video, so basically I've had to refilm like half of this video 3 times because I didn't know that my camera shut off. So if you have a very interesting life, like you are an athlete, a college student, or you own a business, this is a very good video because a lot of people love to see what other people do in their daily life and like their daily routines and everything that they get done on a daily basis. Next you could do a shop with me. Also you could do a prank video, which, do a disclaimer before you do the prank, make sure that you have evidence that it is a prank, because you don't want to go off and tell your mom that you're having a baby and you don't have any evidence that you're not, and she doesn't believe you when you tell her it's a prank. Because next you can give advice, whether it's relationship advice, makeup advice, etc. Next you can debunk beauty hacks. So if there's a beauty hack out there that people aren't sure if it works or not, you can basically do that beauty hack and let people know if it works. Next you can do a hygiene routine and a skincare routine, because a lot of people probably feel like they don't have good hygiene, or they want to know like how to have good hygiene, or what other people do to have good hygiene, or what products to use. So that's really good as well. Next you could do a so-and-so picks out my outfit, and this is basically where you just pick a person, your mom, your dad, your auntie, your uncle, your brother, your sister, your daughter, whatever, and they basically pick out your outfit and you just walk around with that outfit. Next you can do a transformation or a glow up video. It's basically where your appearance at the beginning of the video changes to something completely different at the end of the video. Not completely different, but relatively different. Next you could do a school advice video, which you could do for like college students or seniors in high school or freshmen in high school, because a lot of people don't know what they're about to walk into and they just really need help and advice on what to do. Next you can do a playlist video, which be very careful if you do, because there's like a 50-50 cent. Next you can do a playlist video, which be careful because there's like a 50-50 chance that you're probably gonna get copyrighted. And last but not least, you could do a storytime video, which is probably one of the most popular videos on YouTube. Just make sure that if you're doing this, be sure to be truthful. Oh my goodness. Just make sure that when you're doing this that you're being 100% truthful and you're not lying or you're not making something up. And also make sure to stop always using like such unrelatable clickbait, like clickbait that doesn't even make sense with what your video is about or has nothing to do with your video. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, because trust me, I've had so many complications during this video and I would really appreciate it. Like, really appreciate it. Also, if you took something away from this video, comment down below what video idea you're planning on doing and maybe I'll go check it out. And make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.